the hot and cold machine debits, transforming the market significantly. Comprehensive upgrades across the board, featuring a dual touchscreen panel for effortless control. Equipped with advanced intelligence, a faster, smarter AI chip. One-touch rapid response with a fully enclosed internal waterway system. Integrated patented structural design. Reduces tampering and leakage risk effectively. Dual-core, 6-layer filtration for thorough purification. Purification and mineralization to enhance taste. Creates fresh-tasting mineral water with dual-mode guidance and micro-level sterilization. Full waterway safety protection, completely enclosed for mineral water purity. High-efficiency ice-making module delivers a full tray in just 6 minutes. One-touch automatic rapid dispensing, fast and clean with no contamination. Ready anytime, anywhere to meet all your ice needs and chill out to the max. 6-level temperature control, 3 preset quantities, just pick and go, no need to overthink. Satisfy every beverage craving, easy and worry-free. Turbo heat system boils water to 100 degrees Celsius in just 3 seconds. Instantly get boiled water for a button press quick and healthy. Large capacity water tank with around-the-clock water quality monitoring system. Innovatively upgraded with dual water supply modes and manual refill option. Connect to mainline for auto refill.